At number 1, we have the Dewalt Dust Separator DXVC002. Now, imagine that same situation, only you're knee-deep in sawdust and your shop vac sounds like an asthmatic walrus every time you ask it to clean up after you, and you still have half a day's work ahead of you. Meet the Dewalt Dust Separator DXVC002, the cyclone that rounds up wood chips, drywall dust, and every other hidden particle before they have a chance to clog your filter's arteries. Featuring a 6-gallon polyethylene drum and 99.5% separation efficiency, this yellow monster keeps suction up and filters clean so you don't waste minutes and dollars scrubbing clogged screens, sitting on smooth rolling casters and sporting 2 swiveling ports. This oval shop quality collector moves easily near your bench or table saw, or on its own to clear a demanding mess. Commercial duty, heat-resistant construction stands up to hot debris. A quick-release lid latch and integrated hose holders makes cleanup hassle-free. And the best part? In other words, you'll take pleasure in dumping that bucket rather than cursing under your breath. So if you're ready to take back your length of impact and remain tranquil, your filter too, the Dewalt DXVC002 is your new workbench hangman. Stay tuned. Next, we're going to cover the workhorse tool that makes this cleanup game a full-on workshop revolution.
At number 2, we have the Mullet high-speed Cyclone dust collector. You open the doors to your shop, poised to compete in a marathon sanding session, when a death cloud as thick as pea soup rolls out to smother you in its arms. Then you've got yourself a Mullet dust collector, your budget-friendly Cyclone overlord who isn't afraid of debris and spits out nothing but fresh, clean airflow. This beast sucks up an astounding 99.5% of fine dust and chunky junk, stuff you could swear you'd already cleared away before you even have a chance to think about clogging your shop vac's filter, which means fewer filter toggles, fewer breakdowns, and more time spent actually building stuff you love. The universal hose inlet connection fits hoses from 178 to 212. So whether you're calling on Rosie Oak chips or Allen's sheetrock spackle, it'll attach more securely to that hose than your grandpa's handshake. We'll shift the weight control to a small tank and roll it smoothly across concrete, wood chips, or decision-making cords. And assembly is so simple, you'll wonder why you haven't had one for 24 hours. If you want to banish cleanup from your shop downtime and supercharge your shop vac suction power without robbing the bank, then this Cyclone Separator is your new best friend. Keep watching. Next up, we're unboxing a nifty gadget that makes clean cuts seem like magic.
Ever been waist-deep in sawdust feeding an army of dust bunnies? Step forward the Mullet ThirdHand Dust Collection Boom Arm with Cyclone, your shop's new MVP. This boom arm works on almost any shop vacuum or dust extractor. Just cut the included PVC pipe to your desired height, slap it together, plug it in, and you're ready to go. That high-velocity Cyclone Separator spins out 99% of dust and debris before it even reaches the filter, so you can go longer between cleanings. Need to move across the room? The 360-degree pivots and quick-release knobs let you aim suction right at the action without acrobatic contortions. And when it's time to roll to the next station, its sturdy mobile base travels like a dream. No more wrestling with your gear. Made in the USA from high-quality components, it is guaranteed to outperform every other tool in its class you'll ever own. Time to say goodbye to the dust storm and reclaim your workspace. Don't go away. For next, we have a gadget that will continue to supercharge your tool collection.
At number 5, we have the Dewalt DXVCS003 Dust Separator. Imagine your shop floor is a blizzard of sawdust and your yeek is struggling. That's where this budget-priced monster comes in, designed to pre-separate over 99% of the detritus before it hits your vase filter. The secret? A parabolic curved cyclone wall that creates centrifugal force powerful enough to whirl dust straight into a 5-gallon translucent bin. This way, You can see exactly when it's time for a quick shake and dump. No mystery, no mess. Its stiff one-piece design ensures no suction leaks, and it hooks up to practically any make of wet-dry shop vac. Ready to take back your shop clean air crown? Don't go anywhere, because next we are testing out a tool that's going to make your wood joints tighter than your grandma's grip.